1 whole chicken cut into pieces or 8 to 10 chicken drumsticks thigh, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1 tablespoon paprika, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons salt. Oil for frying. In a large bowl, mix the chicken pieces with buttermilk. Add 1 teaspoon salt and let it marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. In a large bowl, mix the flour, cornstarch, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon salt. Remove chicken from the buttermilk. Dredge each piece in the seasoned flour mixture, pressing it on to create a thick coating. Double dredge by dipping the chicken back into the buttermilk and then into the flour mixture again. Let the coated chicken rest on a wire rack or tray for 10 to 15 minutes. Fill a heavy pot or deep fryer with 2 to 3 inches of oil. Heat oil to 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry chicken in batches, without overcrowding the pan. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally, until golden brown and internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Place cooked chicken on a wire rack or paper towels to drain excess oil. Sprinkle lightly with salt while hot.